Single overhead cam EJ owners, I'm looking at you. We need to have a talk about timing kits. Hello, my name is Mark. I'm an engineer here at Company 23. Today, we're gonna be looking at our single overhead cam timing kits for EJ engines. So in front of me, I have both of our single overhead cam timing kits. On the right, we have part number 577. On the left, we have part number 578. This one fits 2002, 2006 single cam Bajas, as well as 2000 to 2009 Legacies or Outbacks. This fits basically everything else single overhead cam EJ powered from 1999 to when they unfortunately met their demise in 2011. So now we're gonna pop one open, take a look at what's in our timing kits, the features and benefits, and what the differences are between these two kits. So I'm gonna pop this one open, and we're gonna take a little look-see. So inside, the first thing you're gonna notice is a thank you card signed by whoever R. Matson is. The next thing we're gonna do is take out our timing belt. So just like we talked about in the turbo video, our packaging is very specifically designed. The pocket that we have for the timing belt meets the specifications given to us from the belt manufacturer when it comes to belt bend radius. So there's actually a tolerance for shelf life reasons on a timing belt, both forward and backwards. It can't be held in a certain position for too long. If it is, it will actually eventually age out on the shelf. So we took that very seriously and designed our packaging to make sure we fall within that range. So if you ever buy one of these off the shelf, you don't have to worry about the health of the belt. We also print our logo on the belt in-house, and that gives it a little bit of extra flair. Also helps us know if a timing kit was ours, or if you go to sell the car, you can pop off the timing cover and show that it was put together with quality parts. So the next thing we're gonna look at are the actual idler bearings and the tensioner. So one of the big features of our timing kit is the fact that all these components are OE. And what I mean by OE is that this is a genuine NTN tensioner. The smooth idlers come from Koyo, the cogged idlers and the lipped idler come from NSK. So these are the same parts that you would get if you were to go to a dealer and buy them directly from Subaru. We cut out the dealer network of this and buy these components directly from their manufacturer, which helps us have a better price point, but you still get that same OE Subaru quality that you know and trust and you want to put in your car. The other thing we do to each component is we actually laser engrave our Company 23 logo on them. Again, that helps add a little bit of flair, also helps us know if the parts were actually from us or where they came from. So what's the difference, you might ask, between our two single overhead cam timing kits for the EJ engine? The difference lies in the belt as well as the cogged idler. So a lot of kits on the market ignore this, and this is just something that we couldn't do. We're too detail oriented and we want to make a perfect kit. So the difference is with the cogged idlers and the belt. One of these is a curvilinear setup. The other one is a modified curvilinear setup. So the tooth profile is actually different. Also, the belt profile matches what's on the cogged idler, and we didn't want to overlook that detail. We wanted to make sure that whatever was in our kits gave you the same results that you got when you got your car new from the factory. So just a couple little details that we couldn't overlook, and we wanted to make sure we built into our timing kits. If you have any questions on our timing kits, fitment questions, what tools do I need, please, we're always happy to help. Shoot us an email, c23@company23.com, or you can send us a Facebook message, an Instagram DM, a carrier pigeon, any of the above. We're always happy to help get you sorted and make sure we get your car back on the road. Bye.